Do you want to get a better grade so you can one day go to school like Stanford University or MIT? Hi everyone, in this video I would like to share the top 10 tips on how to study smarter effortlessly. Studying smarter, not harder, is the key to achieving academic success. Many students struggle with studying effectively, but several tips and strategies can help you study more efficiently. Here are the top 10 tips to help you study smarter and achieve your academic goals. Tip number one, set specific goals. Having a clear idea of what you want to achieve will help you stay focused and motivated. Start by setting academic goals for each semester, such as earning a certain grade or mastering a difficult subject. Tip number two, create a study schedule. Plan out your study sessions in advance and stick to the schedule to ensure you cover all the necessary material. Block out specific times each week for studying and make sure to include breaks and time for other activities. Tip number three, use active learning techniques. Engage with the material by taking notes, summarizing key points, and asking questions. Active learning techniques can help you retain information better than passive reading or listening. Tip number four, take breaks. Regular breaks can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Studies have shown that taking short breaks every 20-30 minutes can improve your memory and concentration. Tip number five, eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone and avoid social media during study sessions to minimize distractions. Create a quiet distraction free environment to help you focus on your studies. Tip number six, get plenty of sleep. A well rested brain is crucial for effective studying. Make sure to get at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night and avoid all night cramming sessions that can lead to exhaustion and poor performance. Tip number seven, stay organized. Keep your notes and study material in a neat and organized manner to avoid wasting time searching for information. Use color coding labels or other organizational tools to help you stay on top of your coursework. Tip number eight, collaborate with others. Group study sessions can be beneficial for sharing ideas and learning from others. Try studying with classmates or forming a study group to discuss difficult concepts and work through problems together. Tip number nine, test yourself. Practice tests and quizzes can help you identify areas where you need to improve. Use online resources or study guides to find practice material and take practice tests regularly to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Tip number 10, stay motivated. Keep a positive attitude and remind yourself why you are studying to stay motivated and focused. Reward yourself for meeting academic goals and seek out support from friends or academic advisors if you are struggling. Furthermore, staying motivated when studying for long periods can be challenging, but here are some tips that may help. Number one, break up study sessions. Two, set achievable goals. Three, find a study partner. Four, use a positive self talk. Five, take care of yourself. Six, reward yourself. Remember, motivation is not always constant, and it's okay to have off days. Don't be too hard on yourself and take breaks when needed. It's important to find what works best for you and to stay motivated when studying for long periods of time. By following these steps, you can study smarter and achieve your academic goals more efficiently. Remember to care for yourself and stay focused on your long term academic success. Good luck.